Hi everybody, this is the wet plot digitizer for our 3D printer. Before that, we calculate and enter coordinates one by one. This limited us from printing complicated products, example the pictures below. After some research, we use wet plotter digitizer online software to generate coordinate. This helped us to print more complicated products, examples the picture below too. This is how we print the complicated products using wet plot digitizer. So, first, we go to the web and we'll come out on this page. Then we click the Launch App button on your right. Step 3. Go to File and Load Image and choose your image that you want. Then, calibrate the maximum and the minimum XY axis. Then, insert dots on the picture that you want. Step 6. Go to View Data to refer the data that you have calibrated. Copy the data to a notepad and save it as RTF file. Step 7. Go to 3D Printer Program and download the according file name that is saved. Then, change the read file block file, and then you can download the program and run it.
Thank you.
Thank you.